Here we go, there he is. He's waiting on us. Yeah, I'm gonna wait on Jeremy to get back. Sometimes we hand feed him off that low dock over there.
There he is.
Hey Jeremy, here, hold this camera. You want to feed him by hand or you want me to?
It don't matter.
All right,
What are you going to feed?
hopefully that grouper and not the barracuda.
Yeah, I was thinking so. It's a grouper right there. There he is. Whoa, you didn't see that one coming, bro.
That's what always happens. That was the big grouper. He was hiding under the dock.
Another one?
Waboosh.
Yeah.
Did you see that? Wow.
Oh, boy.
Did you put that on the camera?
Yeah.
That's what happened last time. That big giant one was laying under here.
He came up from the back door.
That's why the other one wasn't moving forward.
From behind.
He could see you.
Look, it didn't take you off. That was good.
Keep filming this. They should be coming.
You know, more fun feeding the fish than catching them, right?
Just about.
Well, I've come down here several times and either the water was dirty or the groupers just weren't here to film them. I've got some underwater cameras we actually had to put under before. Let's see if we see him. Is that him right down there, Jeremy?
I can't tell.
He's usually, if he's down on the bottom, he's just a big brown spot. Yeah, there he is. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Cut him on the head.
Yeah, he's sitting there. You see his lip. We got one more body for him. Which way he is. Oh man, it is the shrimp bisque. It's delicious. Got Joey here with me today and Jeremy, and we brought our fillets from our fishing trip and they are frying them up for us. And we're also getting some Wahoo Tiwa made, so Jeremy's gonna try that out. All right, Jeremy, you gotta try the Tiwa first. We've all had it.
That's some good stuff right there. Thank you.
It's sweet, hot.
Coleslaw to kill it.
We love it.